Yo, what up, Grim Nation? Doing another late night video for WWE Supercards. Yes, I have just hit Cataclysm tier. I have not claimed any rewards yet or played any matches yet for my tier free card pick. But we're about to get into it now. So if you have not yet, like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this. Get my little tier rewards. Because now I gotta jump the pluses as quick as I can so I can hit SS19. Yes, 500 credits. Thank you. Thank you. Now, as you can see, the Kevin Owens card here that I have just finished proing has been what put me over. Now I need to reset some things in here too, just to make sure my deck stays right where it needs to be at all times. Swapping Kevin Owens for Samoa Joe. Bobby Roode, you're not as valuable no more. I'm sorry. Oh, well, maybe you are. No, negative. Let's just do that. I think that's higher. Let's figure something out. Yeah, that'll be fine. Leave both of them there. Let's go adjust my team deck real quick. Why? Because I haven't done it yet. Swap you for Joe. And we're going to swap you, Robert Roode, for Kevin Owens. And, well, let's just go check out something real quick. I want to see if it's accepted yet. Let's see. Ah, yes, my team deck is also in Cat. That is lucky for me because I've been looking at that thing being WrestleMania 35 for the longest team. All this luck is now thanks to being back on the best team in the game, the Poopy Bands. Yes, I decided to plug my own team. Why? Because I can. Oh, that is my new team chat stuff going off with the Poopy Bands. I only gotta look at the phone to know this. And I can't believe I gotta get my tier in wild mode. Male solo. Yeah, let's go get those. What them takes is 1,000,000 points of fear. Well, that one went too easy. Yes, I knew they were hiding something. I have never tried to get this off of wild mode before. So this will be a first me trying to get a tier pool. But, then again, it is officially Wild Wednesdays. So, how lucky am I going to be? I forgot, it's only 2 picks. Oh, no, it is going to take forever. And I wanted you loyal YouTube viewers to be a witness to my tier pool. But on the bright side, I am maxed on my TBG, so that's one less worry. The male tag team equivalent. We're gonna lowball it. Let them think they're gonna win. Because no matter what, I'll win the next 2. Female. Easy win. Male. Easy win. This game's not gonna let this be easy. Well, come on, game. Load. What does WWE stand for? Walk with Elias. Elias didn't really walk that time. Might not be able to try to get my tier pull till tomorrow, but I'm gonna try for it tonight. At least for one reset. And this being what it is, the first tier pull of the new tier, it should come fairly quick. And if I would have had the foresight too, I would have already started the King of the Ring for the extra draft picks. A little bliss. Foxy, why? Who knows? Let's hope I can get another pro though when I do get my free tier. Because if I can, that'll greatly advance me even more in this game. And allow me to really start to catch up to the rest of my team. But this 2 little picks at a time though is killing me. It builds up so much suspense because you don't know when you're going to get it. Come on, man. Open up the door. Don't mind me checking the time for a second. Just thinking about another video. There it is, my tier pool. And we have Sting as the tier pool. Not bad. Still a single for me, but I will take it. The imagery does look really cool, and I love the effects it gives you on the tier pools. I knew I'd be getting it soon. Thank you for viewing. I'm going to be cutting this video off. Hope y'all enjoyed.